In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle portal level unsubscribe link setting in HubSpot. We'll walk through where this setting lives and how to switch it on or off confidently. This control affects the unsubscribed link that appears across applicable emails sent from your portal, helping you stay transparent with your audience and aligned with best practices and regulations. Start on your HubSpot dashboard. From here, open your account settings by clicking the gear icon on the right side of the screen. If you don't see the gear or certain options later on, you may need additional permissions from your administrator. Inside the settings area, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Objects. This section organizes the different record types in your CRM and how they behave. It's the doorway to the options that govern activities tied to those records. Within Objects, use the drop-down to find and choose activities. Activities is where HubSpot tracks interactions like notes, calls, meetings, and critically, for today, email logging. It's the central place to adjust how logged emails behave, including access to the unsubscribe link control. Once you're on the activities page, scroll to the email-related settings. You're looking for the option labeled Edit Unsubscribe Link. If you don't spot it immediately, make sure you're still in Activities and expand any email logging or email settings sections to reveal all available controls. Click Edit Unsubscribe Link. This opens the area where you can toggle the portal level unsubscribe link setting. Turning this on ensures recipients see a clear path to manage their subscription preferences, which is key for trust, deliverability, and compliance. Keeping it enabled generally reduces spam complaints and helps maintain a healthy sender reputation. If you choose to turn it off, make sure your other communication methods still provide a compliant way for recipients to opt out where required. Take a moment to review any explanatory text in this panel so you understand exactly how the toggle applies across your portal. After you've made your selection, click Save. Wait for the confirmation indicator or message so you know the change has been applied. Keep in mind that this is a portal level control, so the update may take a moment to propagate and will affect relevant emails sent by users in your account moving forward. That's it. Dashboard to settings, into objects, into activities, edit the unsubscribe link, toggle as needed, and save. With this set correctly, your team can communicate more responsibly and your recipients have a straightforward way to manage what they receive. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresh.